Going to the special nature center right now near my house. I'm gonna show you how special this place is. To me, this is like a magical land, and I feel truly blessed to have such energy around me, such nature around me. Truly keeps somebody blissful. You know, I make beats all the time, but I would say the best beat makers are these morning birds. Every time I hear them, I think, wow, you guys make amazing music. You know, when you hear the flowing of this river, it just helps me flow more in life. And I think we constantly need these types of sounds in our life. There's so much sound out there, but let's try to surround ourselves with natural sounds, and in that way we can become natural ourselves. I literally feel like I'm back in the 1600s, or even 5,000 years ago, or even in the land of Vrindavan. And at any minute, I'm gonna see Krishna around the corner. That's how I truly feel being in this place. So nature is a very spiritual experience if you allow it to be. Now I'm gonna show you one of my most favorite parts of this whole place. I come here a lot, just sit, just think, just reflect. Let me show you. I usually climb these giant hills here. I'll show you guys real quick. There's this idea of chromotherapy. Chromotherapy is when colors bring therapy to you. And for me, nature has so many colors, and you can actually experience those healing properties. So encouraging everyone out there to get out there.